To hold a woman is not just to wrap your arms around her body, it is to hold her soul without crushing it. To hold a woman is to understand her storms and not run from the rain. To hold a woman truly is a matter of spirit, of silence, of strength. Today, I give you 5 ways how to hold a woman, not with weakness or desperation, but with depth, courage, and presence. Let us begin. 1. Hold her with your presence, not just your hands. A woman feels safest, not in your embrace, but in your attention. Your undivided mind is the sanctuary she seeks. Presence is not staring into her eyes while scrolling through your phone. Presence is putting the world away when she enters your space. Be like the mountain, still, unmoved, yet fully aware of every gust of wind that brushes against you. When she speaks, listen not just with your ears, but with the space between your words. Too many men touch the body, but few touch the soul. 2. Hold her without trying to fix her. Sometimes she will break, and you must not rush to glue the pieces back. She doesn't want a mechanic, she wants a mirror. She wants someone who reflects her pain, not someone who tells her how to erase it. The feminine is like the ocean, wild, beautiful, chaotic. If you try to stop the waves, you'll drown in resistance. But if you stand firm, you become the lighthouse that guides her safely through. She wants your strength not to cage her, but to contain the space she can release into. 3. Hold her when she pushes you away. The moment she yells, the moment she tests you, the moment she becomes chaos, that is the moment she wants to feel if your love is real. Can you hold her, not with fear or resentment, but with a calm that says, I will not be moved. I see you. I am still here. That moment is sacred because she is not pushing you away. She is asking, will you stay? Let your silence be a rock she can scream at, lean against, and eventually rest upon. Do not flinch. Do not run. Be her peace when she forgets her own. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, Wired Stoic, on YouTube. Follow me on TikTok to be reminded daily of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful. 4. Hold her in your vision. Most men hold women only in the moment, but a real man holds her in his future. She should see herself in your life, like the moon sees herself reflected in still waters. Let your vision include her, not to depend on her, but to honor her. Make her feel like she is part of the mountain you are climbing, not the distraction pulling you from it. And if she cannot walk beside you, let her go with grace, but never dim your light to make her stay. 5. Hold her without losing yourself. This is the greatest challenge. To love without surrendering your masculinity. To give your soul without cutting your spine. You are the fire. She is the wind. Without your boundaries, she will scatter you. But without your warmth, she cannot rise. Be the man who says, I love you deeply, but I will never abandon myself to prove it. She will test you. She will beg you to fold. But secretly, she wants you to stand firm. Because the man who loses himself for love, loses her too. To hold a woman is to lead her gently through the wilderness of life. It is to be the calm in her chaos, the heat in her winter, the stillness in her noise. Be the storm she can dance in, the silence she can cry in, the strength she can finally fall into. Not every man can hold a woman like this. But you were born to. Now prove it.